gosh. Oh my gosh. Today we are bowling with our cars.
You want to put some skin in the game?
I knew you were gonna say something. What? All right, how much? Like 20 bucks?
What are you, cheap? 500 bucks.
I'm poor. 500, let's
Yeah.
do 1,000.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Fine, 1,000 bucks for the winner?
1,000?
No, but I'll go get it.
All right.
Let's go.
Deal. All right, 1,000 bucks.
We going to pull out the cash right now?
Let's do it.
All right.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm dead serious.
I totally will.
$1,000 for the winner.
All right, let's go. Come on, it's cold. All right, get in, cameraman.
Let's go.
Are you nervous? I feel like I'm gonna win this.
I'm
Only
a
like
solid
one
105 bowler in real life. I don't think you can touch
I
this.
don't know what that means. Is that impressive? Because it doesn't sound very good.
No, it's not. Do you know the top score in bowling?
5.
Wow. Not even close.
Strike is like 10, right?
Something like that.
We're at the bank. Are you sure you want to do this? I'm gonna win.
Mama didn't raise no sissy.
Mama's getting $1,000 today. All right, come on.
You don't even know what a high score bowling is.
Is it not 5?
Nope.
10.
Yep, that's right. Park next to a little Porsche.
Ooh,
You want one of those?
Yes. I'll take 2.
Oh yeah.
All right, we cannot film in the bank, I'm sure, but next time you see us, we'll have $1,000. All right, let's go.
What you got there in your hand?
I got $1,000 cash money. I'm scared to drop some of
You should
it.
be scared.
Oh, no, no, no. No, you mistake me.
Oh look, a Fiat. Oh! Yeah. I'm in a smart car.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
It was probably nerves.
Let's find a empty parking lot. So you and your louvers follow me, okay?
Oh yeah, we will. Are you talking trash? You
Yeah.
don't like the louvers?
I'll race you in that Civic right now.
Oh, okay.
You want to?
You might win.
Let's go! Let's hear it! All right, we're here at the parking lot.
You're gonna drive circles around.
What are you doing?
I'm in circles.
Let's set this up, yeah?
Yeah. I don't really know where to put this. Just kidding.
That's what she said.
That was a good one. Good job, cameraman. Well done. You're learning.
Bowling ball? Wait, what? They're not my soccer. Bowling pins. All right, put them on some boxes.
Like, should
Run
we
into
blow it
them.
up more?
Oh, better. Yeah, blow them up a little bit. All right, next, let's get the boxes. We're gonna.
Oh shoot, did you bring tape?
Yes, I did. There you go, tape.
Are you gonna contribute here?
No. Now these are weighted, so we could.
I don't know, because it's kind of windy today, so I think what we're gonna do is tape these to here, and then
Yeah, that doesn't work.
this might be a fail. No, it'll be fine. You wanna come in and
Yeah.
help here?
Okay, fine. We got a bunch of boxes done already. Where are we at with it?
Well, not only do we have a YouTube channel, a car collecting channel, but now we have a box setting up channel.
We're
So-
moving and storage company.
Call me, I can help.
Man down.
All right, I just finished up my last one. Let's get them stacked up. It'll work.
Just right here in the middle of the parking lot,
Like,
yeah?
we might have to tape it to the ground. Is that...
No. Let's change things up a little bit.
What?
Let's do the first round without the cars. Right there, winner gets 100 bucks.
So with me running through it?
Not running through it, you bowl.
I was like, okay.
All right.
How much?
You down?
$100?
$100.
All right.
You get one bowl.
Where do I have to start from?
Pretty far out.
Like here?
Okay, yeah, that second line right there where you're at. You
Okay.
cannot cross that. One try for $100 for the winner.
Stretch it out.
Just two?
Wait, I'd get one more turn. That was a practice one. It was the
There are no
wind.
practices.
It
Stack
was
that
the
up.
wind.
Stack that up.
No! Wait, I
My
want
turn.
another chance.
I know.
Okay. How am I gonna get you on camera?
I got a mask.
No, you don't. Show me. Okay, please pause. He's getting. Oh, you look so good. All right, come here. Finally, you guys get to meet the one, the only
Because I work for the government.
cameraman. Right there. I'll watch.
People shouldn't be afraid of the government. The government should be afraid of the people.
I I think I know who you're quoting. All right, lose. Oh, look at that footwork. Whoop. No! No, he knocked over 3. I think if I had another chance, I could get them all. Should we do all or nothing?
Where's the money?
I don't have any.
Where's the money?
It's gone. All right, here.
All right, I'll give you one more chance. I'll give you one more chance to beat me.
Okay.
You got to beat 3 though.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, do you get another chance?
Nope.
Okay, deal.
Last chance.
Okay. No!
Oh dear. Oh dear. And you think you're gonna beat me in the car?
So bad.
That was awful.
Well, and I learned that the best score in bowling is what?
Pay up. I got an idea.
Dang it. What?
How about you give me that Civic? You know I like that car. As bad as that is, I do like the Civic.
All right, you have to get a strike though. Deal? If you get a strike, I'll give you the car.
All right.
And I keep my $100.
Deal.
All right, deal. Give me this. Go get the ball. I feel like there's a way I should cheat here. If you guys don't remember, I got this Honda Civic from a viewer. I love that Honda, but cameraman loves it more, so we'll see if he gets a strike. Man, these keep falling over. Go, cameraman. What did you do? Oh my gosh, no! They all fell over in the wind. Oh no, crap, the boxes are falling too. It's fine. Okay, next round is car bowling. Okay, for real, I do owe you $100 because you did beat me that time.
Okay.
So.
The rest is for 900 then. Let's do it with the cars now.
900?
900.
All right, $100.
Chipotle tonight.
Oh, are you gonna buy?
You wanna go? You wanna be my date?
Yeah, do you wanna pay for me?
Sure.
I have no money.
All right, let's set these up and go.
Keep falling over. So we're gonna do this quick, use the Honda Civic, and go through these babies, and you better bet I'm gonna win $1,000.
Yeah, right.
Oh,
Don't fall. You mean that one? Yeah. Do you know how to drive a standard?
Oh.
All right, start from way over there and run into them.
All right.
We'll see.
Watch out.
How many rounds are we doing?
1.
1?
You don't get more than 1 chance to get my money?
2 rounds.
All right.
That thing sounds like a ticking time bomb.
All right, guys, here we go. I've got, like, how can you not hit these? I'm totally gonna win. First of all, appreciate this crappy car. I love it. Okay, here we go. Should I rev at him? Oh, he's making it harder.
I better spread these out a little bit. That's too easy. Much better.
You ready?
Oh my God. Hold on there. You just got a strike. Okay, they were way too close together.
How many points is that worth?
It's 0. We got to start that again. We got to spread them out just a little bit more.
Just because I did really good.
Not
if
fair.
He doesn't want to lose.
Not fair. We got to redo that.
How does that feel? How does that feel?
We have to redo that.
Whatever. I got a strike.
It was a cheap strike.
I was telling the camera, I was like, this is way too easy.
All right, let's do it again. Spread these bad boys out. All right, let's see it. Hold on, you cheated again.
I didn't cheat.
You cheated again.
How would I cheat? I'm just a really good driver. You know that.
We need to spread it out more.
No, we don't. I just went twice. Now it's your turn. And I'll spread them out. It's fine.
All right, deal. What are you doing here?
Then I can spread them out.
Okay. All right, I'll still knock him down.
Are you serious?
Oh, yeah,
okay.
Absolutely.
All right, deal. Here, give it to me. That's what she said. Just kidding. All right. Cameraman's turn. These are really wonky. Look at our job at setting up these. Okay, let me fix them. Oh, please don't fall. Oh, please don't fall. Here we go. Oh no, we had one fall over. Okay. Fine. All right, so they may be wonky, but let's see if he does it. Go, cameraman. Oh man. Do you hear him running? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
What happened there?
Oh my gosh, it went like, and then they're two still standing, and then you ran over a box.
Is there a box under the car?
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a pin too. Where'd it go?
We're missing a pin.
Oh my gosh, that was so funny. I can't
Where'd the
wait to
pin
show
go?
you.
Is it under the car? Hold on, go check.
I didn't see it.
Go check.
Have you looked?
No. Is there a pin under there?
What if it's like up underneath somewhere, like melting? Oh no!
It'd probably be an improvement for this car.
Right? Okay.
Well, man down. All right, well, I think I won that one.
No, you still have two standing. So
We were
you
playing
lost.
biggest destruction. And
Well,
I
then you
destroyed.
did win. That was crazy. I can't wait for you to see that. I can't remember.
I think it's a draw.
I think this one might be ran over. A draw?
Yeah, it is a draw.
Okay, oh, there it is. All right, guys, that was so much fun. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.